So let me show you how to update the firmware of your JBL Tour Pro 3 earbuds. Now this is very simple. Just make sure the earbuds are inside the case, and then the lid of the case should be open so that they connect to your phone. And then on your phone, whether it's iPhone or Android, just go to the JBL Headphones app. Of course, you need to have set them up. And as soon as they get detected by the app, which sometimes takes a second or two, like that, you can now go to Other, right? And then once you tap on Other, you scroll down and you'll see Support. Tap on that, and under Support, in the software section, you can see we have a new version available for the earbuds. So you have an update for the earbuds and a firmware update for the charging case. So depending on what you have, you can just go ahead and tap on the update button. So tap on the arrow and then tap on update. So I'm going to start with the earbuds. So it's telling me to wait for about 3 minutes. So just be patient. So once it's done, it will let you know. So just tap on done. And then also, if you have a pending smart charging case update, you can update that as well. All right, it's the same process. All you have to do is just wait and be patient. So that is basically how to update the firmware for both the earbuds and the charging case of your JBL Tour Pro 3. Thanks for watching and good luck.